Hex empowers data teams to build some really cool things, but too many cool things can start to feel a bit cluttered. As your workspace grows, it becomes hard to tell what is a trusted project versus a random exploration. Without clear signals, time is lost sifting through information, delaying your team's ability to focus on what truly matters, delivering critical insights that drive your business forward. Which is why Hex is introducing endorsed statuses. These are clear signals that a project or dataset is trusted, verified, and ready for the real world. But if endorsed statuses are the gold standard for finished products, what about the journey to get there? How can we ensure that works in progress are on the right track? This is where reviews come in. Reviews provide a space for teams to get constructive feedback, identify potential issues, and ensure business-critical projects remain accurate and trusted over time. As a reviewer, you get to see everything your team is working on and the changes that are made as development progresses. And at each step of the way, you can request changes, provide helpful feedback, or just praise your team for all of their hard work. The entire review process allows you to publish projects with confidence, knowing that they've been thoroughly vetted and are ready for the world to see. So, what have we learned? Endorsed statuses are signals that a project or dataset has already been approved and is considered trustworthy for wider use, enabling your team to find what is useful and ignore what isn't. While reviews happen during the development process, enabling your team to get constructive feedback and catch any issues before projects are made public. Together, these new features create an environment that promotes trust, confident workflows, and ultimately higher quality data products.